Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Easily. Here is second PUC English examination grammar, unseen passage. You know what is the passage? Unseen passage means a new passage for you, means it is an unfamiliar passage, means a totally new passage for you to read and write the answers for the questions asking based on the ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅನ್ಸಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಒಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಓದಿಲ್ಲದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜಸ್, ಈ ಅನ್ಸೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಓದೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಆನಂತರ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ the questions what you read and what are the same question type of answers will come in the passage. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದು ಆನಂತರ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಡಿಬಹುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Mention any one of the feeling of man towards cats. When were cats first domesticated? What did the cats eliminate to win the appreciation of Egyptians? Egyptians showed away their eyebrows when a cat. Then mention one of the qualities that East attributed to cats. Who celebrated cats in their art? In which art were cats represented as working animals? This is carrying rats, contributing or contributed to widespread epidemics. Name the cat association formed in Britain. Add prefix to the word lucky to form its antonym. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಗೋ ಆನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಡ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. The story of domestic cat relationship with man is an interesting tale. The cat has been object of adoration, reverence, hatred and even persecution by humans throughout time. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡೋರೇಷನ್, ರಿವರೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೇಟರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಪರ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, cats were first domesticated by the ancient Egyptians as early as 3000 BC. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕನ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಮೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ rodent ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ. ಕಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪನಿಷಬಲ್ ಬೈ ಡೆತ್. ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಡ್ ಅವೇ ದೇರ್ ಐಬ್ರೋಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀಫ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೆಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅವೇ. ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ. ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿಫೈ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬರಿ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿಫೈಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟ್ cats spread to other parts of the world. They were great success in East, where they were again thought to have a magical and mystical qualities. Artists in China and Japan celebrated these animals in their art. In Japan, cats are seen as lucky. One of the most known is beckoning cat, often regarded as good luck charm for both households and business. The cat spread across Europe during the Roman Empire. The Roman kept the animals to be petted and for companionship as well as for controlling the rat and mice population. Cats were represented mainly as working animals in Roman art. and there is a little indication of reverence or mystical powers given to them. During the Middle Ages, however, cats become an object of superstition and were associated with evil. They were often believed to be endowed with powers of black magic and suspected of being owned and used by witches. As a result, cats were beaten and killed and driven away from towns and villages. The destruction of cats was so extensive that disease-carrying rats flourished, contributing greatly to the worldwide spread of epidemic and plague throughout Europe. Not surprisingly, the Europeans once more began to realize the value of the cats in eliminating rodents, and cats gradually regained acceptance as household pets. In 1871, the very first cat show was held in London. A cat association was formed in 1887 in Britain called the National Cat Club of Great Britain. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕೊನೆ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆಗಲೇ ಓದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಗೋ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿ questions. Here the first question, mention any one of the feelings of man towards cat. Already it is in first or second line: adoration, reverence, hatred, and even persecution. When were cats first domesticated? Cats were domesticated in early of 3000 BC. What did the cats eliminate to win the appreciation of ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲಿಗಳು, ಮೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ rats to win the appreciation of Egyptians. Egyptians shaved away their eyebrows when a cat is passed away. Mention one of the qualities that East attributed to cats, that is lucky. East people, they thought the cats are lucky. Who celebrated cats in their art? Artists in China and Japan celebrated cats in their art. In which art were cats represented as a working animal? In Roman art, cats were represented as working animals. Disease carrying cats can contributed to word spread epidemics. Contributed. Name the cat association formed in Britain. That is the National Cat Club of Great Britain. It is in the last line of the passage. Then add the prefix, make the word lucky to antonym, means opposite word it is unlucky. Okay, see, like this, when the unseen passage comes, first go to questions, read the questions quickly and then read the passage. While reading the passage itself, you can remember what the questions you have read and where the answers were there. You can find definitely. You can find at least 90% of answers when you read the questions first and go to passage. Okay, let's move to the next passage. Here, over 100 years ago, the carrying of mail was hazardous venture, and the mail runner, or Hirkara as he was called, had to be armed with a sword or spear. That was before railways and air service made the delivery of mail a routine affair. Though the first public postal service was introduced in India by Warren Hastings in 1774, the kings and emperors of India had always maintained their own personal postal system. Their rule was effective partly due to excellent means of communication by which dispatches were passed on from hand to hand either by runners or horsemen. When Ibn Battuta was traveling in India in the middle of the 14th century, he found an organized system of couriers established throughout the country by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. There is a food carrier at distance of every mile, wrote Ibn Battuta, and at every 3 miles there is an inhabited village, and outside it 3 sentry boxes where the couriers sit. In the hands of each is a whip about 2 cubits long, and upon the head of is are small bells Whenever one of the courier leaves any city, he takes his dispatches in one hand and the whip, which he keeps constantly shaking, in the other. In this manner, he proceeds to the nearest foot courier and as he approaches, shakes his whip. Upon this comes another man who takes the dispatches and proceeds to the next. It is for this reason that the Sultan receives his dispatches is so short in time. This system was of course established for the convenience of the emperor and was continued with various innovations by successive Mughal emperors in the 18th century. The East India Company established a postal system of its own to facilitate the conveyance of letters between different offices. But it was only during Warren Hastings' administration that a Postmaster General was appointed and the general public could avail of the service, paying a fee on their letter. See, now you read the passage. ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್, most of the questions you will get answers while reading the passage. Otherwise, read the passage, go to questions, then come again you have to read the passage. Now let's move on to the questions. Here the first question, what was the mail runner called as? Here I read in the first sentence itself, mail runner was called as Hirakara. The mail runner called as Hirakara. Who introduced the postal service in India? Warren Hastings introduced the first postal service in India. Whom did the king and the emperors prefer to deliver their dispatches? Runners or horsemen? When did Ibn Battuta travel in India? Ibn Battuta travelled in India at the middle of the 14th century. What did Muhammad bin Tughlaq establish? Muhammad bin Tughlaq established organized system of couriers. Where do the couriers sit? The couriers sit in 3 sentry boxes outside every inhabited village. Which word in the passage means new ideas or techniques? That is innovations. And as the courier approaches the nearest foot courier near an inhabited village's city, he shakes the whip. Kings and emperors would successfully communicate with each other through couriers. Communicate. When was the Postmaster General appointed? The Postmaster General was appointed during the administration of Warren Hastings. See, these are the 2 passages I am going to give you for the example, and remaining passages I kept in a PDF format in Learn Easily app. Download the Learn Easily app from Play Store and go to first and second PUC. There you can find this PDF for reading. Whenever you are going to read the unseen passages, first read the questions, then go to passage to read. Because if you read the questions first, then in a passage while reading itself you will get almost all the answers for your questions. Okay, don't forget to download the PDF from Learn Easily app and get prepared for your examinations. Thank you for watching this video.